Hello everyone, today we have a 2010 F-150 Platinum. This one has a 5.4 liter Triton engine in it. Also has a custom grille, as you see. Chrome tow hooks up front. Floodlights, fog lights, excuse me. And it has power running boards that come out when you open the doors. Power rear window. You see it also has the step in the back, and it also has a bed liner. Has painted alloy wheels. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. There's your power running boards. You have an additional power supply back here. A lot of room in this truck. All right. So as we look down here, you'll see that it has 106,250 miles on this vehicle. Here are your lights, cruise control, push to talk, and your infotainment toggles. And as you come down here, you've got your 2- and 4-wheel drive, trailer sway controls right here. Okay, here's your audio. It's AM, FM, XM, Bluetooth, and you also have a CD as well. And then there's your navigation. As you come down here, you're going to see that it has both heated or cooled front seats. Additional power supplies and an auxiliary cable, or an auxiliary port for an auxiliary cable. And you have your shifter, and your cup holders, and your additional stowage, additional power supplies up here. As you come up above, you're going to have your map reading lights, and then you've got your sunglasses holder and your sunroof. And that about wraps it up for this F-150 Platinum on the interior. This particular vehicle does have a clean title. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.